Hey, eighth graders, happy Tuesday. It is May 12th. I probably could have gotten by with written instruction, but I think it's important for us to kind of touch base every day because who wouldn't want to hear this voice every day, right? So anyway, we finished the War of 1812 yesterday, and what you are going to do is you're going to watch a video clip that runs an overview of the whole war, the causes, the war itself, and then some of the effects. So you're going to click on this Discovery Education link, bold or change your font color, and then take these few notes on that video clip. As you know, one of the major events of the War of 1812 was when Britain stormed Washington, D.C., walked right into the White House and set it on fire. So CBS Sunday Morning is a news show, and they did a clip on that historical event. So go ahead and click on that video, and as you watch that news story, answer these questions. Then the final thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a virtual tour of what the White House looks like today. So go ahead. This time there are not notes to fill in, but you have to come up with them themselves. Some of us rush through that type of activity, but remember, as you listen to all those facts about the White House, what you're trying to do is pick out what the golden nugget of information is. So do your best with that. Other than that, after that, you are done with U.S. history for today. Contact me with questions. Stay in the saddle. Work hard. I continue to be super proud of you. Keep up the good work, Chargers.